Yo.
Yo, is this the kind of run we're doing?
Yeah,
I suck at Huntress, but this will be okay.
I realize why Elijah likes using Huntress, not with like these abilities. Yeah.
What
Except
are
that
we
one
on?
flurry.
Excuse me?
Yes.
It's Slurry?
Flurry.
Flurry?
McFlurry?
McFlurry? Wait.
Oreo McFlurry?
Wait.
Yes.
McDonald McFlurry?
Yeah, that's something that you'll probably never get because their thing never works.
Yes.
Now that's hot. Just like how there's a thick mod for Huntress and Artificer.
The fuck?
Dude, honestly, in my honest opinion, I think they're too thick.
Yeah.
An Artificer doesn't have a backpack.
I feel like the pew pew is gonna get very annoying very quick.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay
Yo,
when there's
there's
no
the
like
thing.
one. Oh, look! That's a thing.
Yo.
Hey, yo. Damn it.
Boomerang.
This big fart. Attack him.
Yo, it's me. Oh no!
Mm. Oh wow, okay.
What you laughing at? What the hell?
Oh, we should have picked up the instinct. What if I go shape class?
Dude, no.
Just constantly help
Why?
get yourself.
What I was doing with multi.
What do I want? Fuck this dude.
Good food and lunch at cafeterias.
Hits also blast enemies with the runic eyes. So, I don't think I've ever even found this item.
Oh, should we do the... If we get that map, the... Will death do us apart?
Yes.
That's what I meant to do.
Yes.
No. Yo.
Yo, I fell at the. I'm just gonna take the attention off me. Sorry. Ow.
Oh, it's cheating.
Oh, I love fine crafting my run.
Oh,
That didn't work. It does.
Oh, shit.
oh shit.
Perfectly timed. Oh. Oh shit. Where is it? Where's it? There. Where? The hell do I want?
Yo, look what I'm about to get first try.
You ain't getting nothing first try.
Yo, shit, I got it first
No
try.
way!
Dude, no way.
Beat him up. What the fuck? How was out of that?
Oh. Yo, a legendary.
No way.
Yo, what are you gonna get on your first try, Elijah?
I don't know, dude.
I'm gonna get this newt pod. I can't make that jump. Even with the pew pew. Yo, you got it on your first try, Elijah.
Dude.
How'd you do that?
You
you're
have.
cheating.
No, I think he just has to be good at this game. There's no other way. Let's be
dump
honest.
spots. What the hell? We have opened it.
Guys, an ancient
Yo.
gate begins to shift.
Let's fight 2 bosses.
Ooh, bosses. Hey, there's 2 bosses. What the fuck? Dude,
Yo, did we get the items?
got the item.
If you
Yo,
want,
Elijah.
if you want, you can get the items.
Man, I don't even know what I would need. Oh, I did unlock one of the things now.
The 2 bands.
Yeah. I was trying to get to the new pod thing, but I can't make the jump.
Yo, Tristan, you should be able to make it there using the blink.
I don't have any apple feathers. This might be a wee bit difficult. Fair. Actually, you kind of can just climb up here, I think. There we go.
Gotta spam the space. Oh, you can't. You really do just gotta spam the space. That's what I was doing.
I didn't know I was playing Skyrim.
Oh yeah.
What time is it? 7:14. I'm gonna go see if I when we get to this new pod, I'm gonna see if I can, you know,
Yes.
What?
so I can be free. Free no banga.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. That was the zebra and the gorilla underwater.
You're a gorilla.
I really want to, but freaking Huntress has no health, so I can't do the shape. Whoa! I fucking felt it.
Ow.
Yo, I didn't know I could do that my first try.
Go.
Yo, let's see what I get my second try.
I got the rocket launcher first try.
Oh shit, second transcendence. What the hell?
No way.
No, I think it's time to get it. Yo, that's the get meteor. I'm gonna run away. You know, we were so close to killing this dude every time but it was like no. Oh yeah, let me go. Yeah. Hold on.
Ooh, look at shaped
Yo,
ass.
dude.
What do I want? What the hell is this?
Purity? That
I am
gives you
unlucky.
anti-luck.
Who needs luck?
You know, I guess
Wait.
the chance doesn't matter if you have it at 100%.
Yo, look at me. I look like I can dance on his head.
Yo.
It looks so funny. This is the perfect dance.
Heck yeah.
Hey, guess what? Guess what, Newt?
Now I can set up the stream.
No, you can't.
I was just recording that whole time. In case something sexy happened.
Excuse me?
But nothing sexy happened.
Oh, just you wait till I finish this video. You're gonna realize something sexy happened.
Oh shit.
Huh? What's going on?
Yo, did you two have this sex suit?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I
Yeah, it
wasn't there.
happens.
You guys had hot, steamy sex.
The steamiest.
Yeah.
Or was it the deadest?
We're done here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Marco, think
doing
of
my
like this.
embed thing.
Think of like the steam that you see in like your standard ecchi when they try to be a little too risque.
Oh, fuck, hold on.
You know
Damn
what
it.
I'm talking about.
Where did we spawn?
Somewhere shitty, that's what.
Up your ass. Ooh.
Oh man, there's so much shit on my laptop so I could actually look at chat. Oh shit, I flew on my roll. Hey yo, Rogue Energy, you can use that a code note, you can use code note for 10% off.
Cutting that out the video.
Man, that's gonna be the intro to my video. That's gonna be my mid-roll. Oh, when I switch from recording to streaming, that's gonna be my mid-roll. And it's gonna be like, yo, right, pass.
No, you need to have like some like super like sexual screaming going at the very beginning of the video, and then immediately cut to please click below to my affiliate link for Rogue Energy. Just like Nikocado.
Oh my god.
Dummy damage. Oh, guys, don't mind me. Just super lucky.
Yo, you got it on your first try.
Second, actually.
Oh, okay. That's not that good.
Now the 57 leaf clover and the purity cancel each other out.
Nice.
I mean, I got my 10 stack of glasses. Got my, yeah. Got a lot
He's
of
still
speed.
blind to the truth.
I'm not blind to the truth. Elijah is.
No.
What?
Now
Elijah, how could you?
I say. Yo, do you guys have a picnic basket? Tell me.
Dude, no.
Hey, do you not have a picnic basket? Hey, boo boo.
Hey, boo boo.
Hey, yo, Elijah, you wanna be?
Huh?
You wanna be the boo boo?
No.
Why'd you sound offended?
Because I am offended, dude.
Nice.
How dare you be offended? Only I can be offended.
How dare you be offended? I'm gonna cancel both of you.
Oh
Dude,
yeah.
no.
And I'm
Do
gonna
it
get the
then.
manager.
I'm white and straight and a man. I'm already canceled.
I missed.
Damn.
That's
No
a shame.
shot.
That's a shame.
What's going on up there?
I don't.
Damn, that's the betrayal. Elijah was not expecting that type of betrayal so early into this.
I feel like a bleached asshole after that one.
What?
Wait, what the fuck?
What, dude?
Man,
Is there a problem?
man, that must hurt.
It does.
Use a funnel
Oh, fun.
so you can get really around and inside. You feel me?
Hold
Yes.
on. Sorry. My non-existent ADHD just kicked in, and I realized something really cool. And
Trying to
Alright,
get
do
the
not start it yet. Do not.
What's the
Do not.
achievement?
I gotta go get some.
What's that? Make some content? All right.
Oh,
No
hell yeah.
way, dude.
I need to activate the multiple audio tracks for Twitch VODs.
You're a Twitch VOD. How about that?
Well, technically I will be, and so will you.
What? Oh. How dare you?
Alright,
you can start
I just hear the pitter-patter of Huntress's footsteps. Layered with Elijah's. Blue skidoo, we can too. Oh!
Oh yeah.
I know you didn't just blue skidoo us all the way to hell.
Hell yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, mountain shrine.
Yo, if I don't see that hit within the next 5 seconds,
Yo,
I'm
2
coming.
mountain shrines.
Yo.
If I, oh, you know you have to, even though it doesn't do anything.
But you know what they say about 2?
What?
3.
Oh, they don't. Oh, I just sniped something. Ah, you asshole!
You say asshole?
Oh, guys, no way.
Yo. Is that Nuts Hammer?
Might be. Oh, guys, no way. First try.
Oh shit.
Shit.
Now you can attack faster. Oh wait, no, I was looking
Wait
at
a minute.
someone else.
Wait a minute.
I was looking at Elijah's.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
Now we have 2 Hellfire drones.
Oh shit.
Yo.
Goodbye to the people. Goodbye to the people. What the heck? I go ahead.
How dare you?
I dare. No, me first. Actually, I want to gamble.
Is that a 3rd mountain shrine?
Yo. You know what that means, Elijah? Free ice cream. No!
Fuck, I don't want all these stupid fucking equipment.
Yeah, now now we got the bad orangey right there, where we get nothing but equipment as draw.
This must be the work of purity.
No, it must be the work of Dinkelberg.
Goldberg! How do you do, Mr. Turner?
Hi, diddly how? Oh shit, I'm in the wrong cartoon. What? I'm pretty sure that would be like inaccurate.
That sounds like something straight out of a Butch Hartman cartoon.
There. Yo, it's a legendary chest.
Yo. It's my ass.
Yo!
Your ass is the legendary chest?
That is a pretty legendary
Yeah.
ass, if I do say so myself.
Thanks.
Man, is that after the hot, steamy, sexy ball that you two had?
No.
No, it was before.
Oh, okay.
I think I have enough guitars.
Not guitar, ukulele.
Hey, Marco, guess what? Eat my
No.
ass.
No, I said no before you asked.
Hey, too bad. Eat my ass.
No. I'll give that roll to Elijah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
You
we
see
already
how
talked
he
about
didn't
having
say
hot,
no?
steamy sex. Why would I want that from him? I am done with him now.
Oh!
I'm a one and done kind of guy, if you get what I mean.
Damn.
Hey,
Yeah.
also, guess what?
Oh no, I feel like the boss is about to start.
Oh shit.
That's a lot of stuff
Overload.
titans.
Because they're overloaded. I got this. Oh, okay, that didn't do shit.
I just noticed it dropped my real capacitor at some point.
Yo, so much.
Hey, so I guess those things do stack?
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Oh,
do.
there's a boss item. 2 boss items.
Alright, before we completely charge the teleporter, we need to get enough money from Marco.
Yeah.
Kinda almost there. Owie! Oh!
Fuck you.
What the?
Lol. Good old saying from my country. Get fucked.
Nice.
Oh, you Rolf? I'm your country. As Rolf used to say.
You did used to say.
We never knew what his country fucking was either.
Was it Ustankistan from Fairly Odd Parents?
Yes.
Where they grew turnips and only turnips.
The hell? Stupid rocks. God damn it. Stop targeting the rocks.
To this day, I still wonder what
Yo.
the hell Bush Hartman was thinking when he created Ustankistan. It's some of the most low-key racist shit you could come up with. And I take that back. It ain't even low-key. He was just straight up being racist.
What the hell? I did not want this.
What the? The guy teleported behind me and then died.
Yo, he said nothing personal, kid, to himself.
It's like nothing personal, kid.
No, that was like a suicidal.
He was like a suicide grunt.
Yes. Oh wow, you're down
Oh,
there.
I'm getting gangbanged.
Oh, that's pretty hot.
Oh, don't worry, I can help with that. I won't even charge.
Ow. Hey, what's up?
Yo.
What?
I could tell if you faked that scream or not. It almost sounded genuine.
It was. I thought I almost fell off the map. Oh great, and I landed in the fucking fire. I shall wait on the assistance. I will not be doing this alone.
Okay, I will assist. But I do it on my own terms. And that is by doing this.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Yo, was this a challenge? I'll show them a challenge. Pulls down pants.
Hentai logic right there.
Hell yeah.
If I can't beat them with my strength, I gotta beat them with my girth.
Oh wait, hold on a second. Does that mean is that how the NTR protagonists are gonna fight back against the guys? Is he gonna fuck the guys?
Yes, it's
Oh shit.
it's like redo healer with like no limits basically.
Oh.
They don't
They
care.
redo that entire anime, but he also go fucks the guys that fucked him back.
Yo, Tristan.
Yeah.
Lunar
Yo.
pod.
I swear to God, if this is an equipment.
You can tell when it's an equipment when it comes out orange.
I know.
You know what they say about the color orange?
Aren't you glad?
They never
I
made a
said
movie
apple?
out of it.
Oh.
They made a movie out of the color purple.
Good thing I am purple. Alright.
Yo. That. Yo, you a caca. Yo, is another thing. Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm a bird!
You fine? Yo, you taking damage.
I also have like 3,000 health.
Yo, you run like Naruto.
It's like a...
It's like a goofy
I have no
version of
words. Yeah,
Naruto.
it looks really stupid.
Yo, you're using drunk style Naruto.
Well, I guess
You're
I'm a
stuck
bird.
as that. You're stuck as a bird. Oh
I'm a
shit!
bird.
Oh, well. I don't think Elijah wanted us to do that. He probably wanted to, you know,
Wasn't
put all
me.
his items away again.
Wasn't me.
Yo, I tried to enter. Yo, I can't stop my speed though. Yo.
What the heck is going on?
Marco shot the newt.
I did nothing.
He shot the
Damn.
newt.
Alright, let's fuck some ass.
Yo.
Well, you heard the man,
Climb
Elijah.
to the mountain.
You know, Marco, you're like the pimple that SpongeBob gets after that splinter.
Damn.
Nasty.
You know what, all of you eat shit.
I'm as good as the moan Grizzy had when he's. I was watching one of their IRL streams, and I think Droid showed like Grizzy of like an ad of like two turtles fucking, and
What the heck?
he's like, "You got turned on by that?"
What do you say? Nature at work.
Second
You got-
beetle.
Hey guys, guess what? Chicken butt.
Oh.
Also teleporter.
What is it? The teleporter.
Yes.
What is it? The portatel.
No.
I thought so.
You can trick me with your words.
Hmm. Yes. My answer is yes. Actually, I'd like to phone a friend.
Sorry, but you have to have friends.
Damn.
Damn.
Should have known that from the start. Ow! I was trying to get my item. He was like, you know.
You moan in
Yo,
my
those
ear
Squidward's
again,
almost
and I'm
dead.
a con.
So you gonna cool?
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Bye bye. You asshole.
Wow. I ain't good luck and my candy bars. I can't win a left and chin. Can a cold K9.
Bark, bark.
I'm gonna skip some of this intro so I can get that.
It's just a
This
theme
is-
song.
That's a perfect laugh. Bark, bark.
Ah!
Probably wasn't that nasty then. Your editor was just
Hey
like,
guys,
let's
y'all
add,
come
like,
here.
17 bass drops.
Y'all come here.
What's up?
Just come over here.
Oh.
I found a friend. Okay, he's not a friend anymore.
170 kit, what the fuck?
He's not a friend anymore, never mind. He's being an asshole.
Oh, it's the
Yeah,
scavenger. We're gonna get a bunch of items. Hell yeah.
Is that what it is?
Uh-huh.
Yo! I killed him. Give me shit. I want
I
meat.
want my crowbars. That's all I want. My
Alright, go
crowbars.
get the rest.
Yo, Elijah's been playing this game a lot. This is Elijah's new KF2.
Oh. You mentioned
Let's just
the
wait
game.
until they add emotes to this game.
When they adding TF2 hats?
Oh shit. When they gonna add other outfits apart that aren't just reskins? Yo, there was still another chest.
Damn.
I landed right on top.
Run,
of it. Oh shit, it's
ruined.
right there.
Run ruined, guys. I'm sorry.
Yo, what if that's the next game? Risk of Ruins. That's the next one that they're gonna do.
Noka shitty joke moments.
No. Let's do some sus moments. Yo. Ah! Girly scream sus moments? Yes. They're going in the comp.
Sussy moments.
Yo, editor, put that in the comp. That's me. Talking to myself. Dying. Pain. Humiliation.
Guess what? Speed run!
What the heck?
Just watch it! Speed run!
Oh man. The magics of having only 2 shaped glass. Now we gotta see if we can take down the newt.
The newt.
Newfound power.
The newt found power. Hope you want to see what we can do.
Oops. Well.
Alright, which one of you motherfuckers just randomly shot it?
Editor, show who shot, and it's gonna show me. Things need to keep spawning so I can keep getting them heals.
Hey guys,
Oh,
a
you're trying
gold
for
orb
that
reviews.
thing, right?
Yeah, been going so well so far. So far, so good.
So far, so good, guys! Uh-oh.
Dead.
Yo.
Nerd.
Oh. Oh.
This is the only thing we can get from it. Alright, let's go loot.
Oh. I forgot the loot spawns here.
Aw.
Yo, one of the equipment drones died.
No,
Yo.
yeah, wait, yeah!
It took forever. There's something healing over there. I shall stop them.
Yo, I'm gonna go kick his ass.
Fuck that guy. Hey,
Fuck this guy too.
It's another scavenger.
Get scavenged.
Yo, he got scavenged. Whoa.
Yo,
Oh.
time to buy a bunch of goat hooves.
Yo, it's a grandparent. Like a dead parent.
Hey, they're all dead. Oh shit! Bye bye!
Hey, yo, a Lunapod. I wish I could afford it. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
What the fuck?
See you later.
Bye-bye,
I'm out of
Elijah.
here. Bye, Elijah. We'll see you in the next live.
Did you just see that bee hopping again?
This is the blood one over here. I'm gonna do that.
Yo.
Oh, wait, you got them all.
He's like, nah, I'm just gonna do the blow one anyway.
I mean, I could. Extra credit. Extra credit. Extra credit. That's the spirit.
Alright.
I'm gonna be in that cutscene. Hey, yo, Mithrix!
Alright, bye-bye. You ain't shit.
Yo, he marked for death.
You ain't shit. You ain't shit.
I can't wait until I die like that last time when he hit me with those orbs. I'm going so fast. What's going on? Whoa! Get ready for me. I did not time that right. Oh, I ran with that and I still survived. Yo, my overhealing is saving me as I just keep hitting.
Yo.
Kick his ass. Kick his ass. You ain't shit. You ain't shit.
Yo, he's gonna get that half health from my my. Yo, he's gonna
so
lose the
slow.
health. Look. Yo, he's gonna lose the health. Oh wait, what? What's the health? Oh, there we go. He lost the health.
Give my items back. Bye-bye, nerd.
Oh, yo, he returned.
Hey, it's him!
A little late to the party.
This is
Yo, what
Thirst
if he-
now.
I thought we killed him too fast.
It's funny.
Alright, I'll see you guys there. Oh my god. And then the banner. Alright, guys. It's taking you guys so long.
Well, I'm right here.
Dude, it's not my fault.
Oh man.
Oh shit, I'm about to die.
Yo, where are the enemies supposed to spawn? Oh, there they are. Yo, I saw like 400k damage.
Bark, bark.
I wonder what a total damage is gonna look like at the end. The one time was like 31 million for me. You know what, Elijah? Now
What's
I
up?
see why you liked Hunter's. I mean, multi was pretty fun, but this is just ridiculous. This is ridiculous. We've been drunken for years. This is ridiculous. Takes eyeballs out.
Yo, we did it.
Yo, we
I
did
should play
it.
that game, Mr. Krabs on ketamine. Oh man, skip. Yo, it's the name of the game.
Yo.
Now let's see the total damage.
Yo.
33 million. Okay, 7 million.
Wow.
15 million. I did the most damage. I had like almost I had 100 more items than everyone else.
I was still going for items like around when I got the bird.
I was just like, yo. Man. 33 million. I didn't even die this time like I did in the last two. Who took the most damage though? Oh,
Probably me.
Big fart.
I literally just radiate taking damage.
You also got the most gold.
I'm a money man. What can I say?